Welcome back, everybody, to the Redneck Workshop 1. I'm Greg. Today we're going to do a little unboxing of a few things. We have a lot been going on here in the shop, so we've been kind of bad about not getting videos out, but we're going to be changing that. Give you a little sneak preview here in this video or the next one. Very large piece of new equipment's in the shop, so this is probably going to be the first thing. We looked and looked for quite a while at different things, and this one is the one that caught my eye the best, packaged reasonably well. For a CNC lathe, I guess you can figure out what the new piece of equipment is. I couldn't afford a fancy bar feeder, so kind of going the easier way for me, and that's with a bar puller. There are many companies out there that have different ones. Some of them are quite proud of their products and way out of my price league. But the company that I decided on is a place called Easy Puller. They make two different models, one for up to 1.75, 1.375 hex, and 1-inch square bar. And then the next one takes it up quite a bit. I don't know if you can see that, but there's a chart of the sizes it will fit. Center line can be off center a little bit, incorrect. Gives you the dimensions you need to be, even gives you some sample G-code. I have to read this. Looks like some good information there. The product itself, let's look at it here. Those don't turn, at least not for me. Ripped, hardened. Ooh-wee, that's more than I can do, so I guess it takes a lot of force. There's some little pads in here. They're kind of some type of rubber with a metal plunger, and as this pushes over, it pushes a little grooves into the bar and then allows you to pull out, pull off. Be interested to see how bad these mar the surface. I would have thought there had been a little bit more give in that, but we'll see. And I got the 3/4 inch shank. You can get it in different ones. I wonder if there's an adjustment. Well, it really shouldn't be because it's rubber up inside there. But anyway, Easy Puller, part number EP12044, place called Accudyne. It's made in the U.S. That's what really impressed me. I like made in the U.S. It's got good machining, good clear marks, nice coating. Even has USA fasteners. Everything's deburred nicely. So far, very impressed with the product. Go to the internet, look them up, and no, I don't get any money for this. No, they did not sponsor me. No, they did not give me a discount. No, they don't even know I'm making a video. Easy Puller, Accudyne, look them up. There's several other products out there, none of which really impressed me this much. Totally mechanical. There's no coolant involved. There's no springs, levers, wild crazy arms. It's one simple unit. I like that. Go on the internet, give them a look up, and see what you think. I liked it enough that I bought it. That's item number 1. Item number 2. This has to do with organization. John Saunders over at NYCNC really kind of started me on a kick of organization and keeping things simple, handy where you can find it. Spending way too much time looking for stuff. Came across this company that he uses, Schaller Corporation. Let's see. Schaller Corporation, Schaller, S-C-H-A-L-L-E-R, 508-655-9179. They got a good website, easy to use, even has a way where you can measure your toolbox depth and width of the drawer, and then you can build it and try different things and arrange different ways and then create an order off of what you just did. Good prices, quick shipping. The products are phenomenal, and you can get different depths, different sizes for different type drawers. I know I love mine. Get this camera off of here. One of the things that I really hate is chasing after stuff, so I started putting my end mills into them. And what's nice is you can come up, you can grab this out, go over to the machine, come back, and you don't lose your place, you don't lose anything. Everything's right back where you started from. Love how it organizes stuff up and you can find things. Everything's where it can be. But what I really love is this. Got all my drill bits, took a label maker, put the thing, so I can quickly see, what do I have? I'm missing these, I'm missing these. I've only got 2 of these. So it makes it quick and easy to see what you have, what you need to get, what you're running low on, etc., etc. But absolutely love the organization. Put your little parts in there. I put different projects in them. You know, I've always struggled. Where do I put this? Where do I put these little dowel pins and harden pins and ground pins? Well, no, I got nice little trays that I can pick up. I can take over to a project. You know, it keeps it neat and organized. You know, it fills up the drawers, slowly getting the taps in place. These things are great. Go over to the website, take a look at it. Again, I don't get anything out of this. I'm just sharing with you what I have found works really good. It's a good product. It's a reasonable price. Can't say enough good about them. Third and final thing today is this bad boy right here. I tell you what, you can look high and you can look low. And again, I am huge on Made in America. Let's see, let's get their name up here. Is that going to focus? Mari Tool. Phenomenal quality, solid, good workmanship, good machining, through coolant, ER32 collet holder. Straight shank with a welding flat. Love their tooling. And for those that y'all can figure out what that's for, that's the new surprise. We now have a Haas CNC lathe in the shop, and through this will allow me to, that's a tight fit. See if I can coax this together here. And there we go. Man, that's a good fit. But that will allow me to mount with ER32 collets and allow me to mount my drill bits, stuff, bores in the boring bar, and all that good stuff. Probably the mill or in the lathes. The no through them have the different coolant options. Has a the through coolant, so I can actually mount that right about through here, tighten down, and I'll get coolant through. For things like got a carbide perfume coolant boring bar, which will be marked for that tool. But again, sticker tool, their holders are fantastic. This will, I have, they don't make roll, or in my, like when I try guy right here, they more, this one anymore. I cried, love to order Pete, love their stuff. Marvel stuff. Here's another Mari tool. I mean, they make some fantastic stuff. And we'll shout, give us a look. I mean, ER collets. I looked around and around. Even for $330, you get the 18 or 20 piece. You get ER 32 collet set, precision ground, high quality. And even cheaper places weren't much cheaper than that. So why not go for the quality and get a really good set that's going to last you forever? Spend a little money, get American made. Go check them out. You'll like it. All right, we're going to take a real quick peek out here. And there it is. We're going to have a whole video series on this bad boy, the delivery, the setup, what we went through, how we chose Haas. If you've listened at all at this, you probably already know, made in USA. A couple of small issues, but the HFO here in Florida has been really good working with me. More to come, more to come. Y'all have a great day. Get out in that shop, make something.